Lust feels like power, but it charges you a price you never see coming. It starts as a glance, a fantasy, a scroll, a swipe, a double tap, and before you know it, you're hooked. Lust sells the greatest lie of all, that pleasure equals fulfillment, that desire is love, that cheap attention is connection. But when it's over, when the dopamine dies, you're left with nothing, just silence and shame. She wasn't real, that video, that photo. You gave a piece of yourself to someone who doesn't even know your name. You chased the feeling and you lost your fire. Lust steals your time, your drive, your confidence, your edge. It makes you a spectator in life, watching others live, love, and win. It turns kings into beggars, men into consumers. It kills the man you were meant to be, slowly. You think you're in control? Lust is a fucking drug, and you're addicted to the fantasy. You don't chase a woman, you chase the escape. You know the feeling, that crash, that guilt, after the click, after the orgasm. You stare at the screen like a grave, not just for your dignity, but for your potential. That hunger that you used to have is gone. That edge blundered. That fire smothered. But it doesn't have to end like this. You're not your urges. You're not your past. You're not weak. The high value man is forged in mastery. And that starts by looking lust in the face and saying, "You don't own me." Delete the apps, block the sites, walk away from easy, rebuild your mind, reclaim your purpose. Use that energy to create, not to consume. What if you took all that lust and turned it into power? All that craving and turned it into focus? What if you became so strong, so grounded, so unshakable, that no screen, no woman, no addiction could break you up? Lust is cheap, your soul is not. Pay the price now, or live with the cost forever. Discipline is freedom, control is power, purpose is everything. The price of lust, it always starts small. A glance, a search, a moment of curiosity or loneliness. One click, one scroll, and you think it's nothing, just for now. But lust is never satisfied. Lust doesn't want a moment, it wants everything. Lust wears many masks: beauty, desire, freedom. But behind every click is a trap. You think you're in control, you think it's harmless, but it rewires you, slowly, quietly, until you see no longer woman as woman. You see them as screens, until real intimacy becomes awkward, until conversations feel forced, until real love feels boring. You pay the price with your time, your energy, your testosterone, your soul. You don't even realize what you're giving away. The man you used to be, the one with drive, hunger, power, he's been traded for instant gratification. And what do you get in return? A 10-second high, a hollow laugh, a deeper loneliness, Every time you give in, you give up a little bit more of your future. Every time you relapse, you teach your brain that pleasure comes before purpose. You want to stop, but you can't. You've tried, deleted the app, cleared the history, swore it off, but the cravings come back louder. But loss isn't just a habit, it's a cycle, and cycles don't break themselves. You become two people, the man you want to be and the man you've become in the dark. It's not about a woman, it's about pain. The pain you never received, the wounds you tried to bury, the no, the love you never received. Lust is just a numbing. The real enemy is emptiness. You want to be free? You have to go to war against your lower self. You have to sit in the silence, face the cravings, face the discomfort, and choose not to escape. Choose growth over gratification, purpose over pleasure. Become dangerous again, not to hurt others, but to protect yourself. Freedom is found on the other side of mastery. You don't destroy life by hating it. You transcend it. And one day you'll wake up different, clearer, stronger. You'll look in the mirror and see a man who finally respects himself. Not perfect, but honest. Not controlled, but centered. And lust, it won't own you anymore. Because you finally became the man it could never break. The price of lust is your peace, your power, your future. But if you're willing to pay a different price, like discipline, pain, patience, you'll earn something lust could never offer: self respect, love, and a life worth living. Kill the root, kill the craving, become the man you were meant to be. I won't take much of your time because you've got fighting to do. So, by one click of the subscribe button, you can make my whole day. So, goodbye.